Hi everybody, I am very excited to teach you how to use Equati0 today. Equati0 is an add-on for Google Chrome that is going to let us show our thinking and justify our answer in math so much easier than using our options on Google Slides or Google Docs. So thank you all for making sure that you have the add-on available on your toolbar. If you do not have that yet, you're going to click the link that I've sent to you right in this slide, and it will take you to where you can download that. So go ahead and do that now. Pause the video and do that now if you don't have it ready yet. For everybody else, let's move on. So again, this is just an add-on. So this Equati0 will work with Google Docs or with Google Slides. So you're going to want to be in one of those programs. Now to get Equati0 started, you simply just click on the icon in your toolbar, and it's going to open its own toolbar across the bottom for you. This is where you're going to change any of the settings. We're not going to do that today, but if I need to in the future, I'll show you how to do that then. The first one we're going to look at today is the equation editor. Now the equation editor is fantastic for predicting math language that you don't find on your keyboard easily. So if I wanted to type a sentence like 9 divided by, 9 divided by, I can just start writing the word divide and the division symbol will come up for me. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and I'm going to finish that sentence and insert it into my math space. So again, that's going to just help predict some of the language that's not easy to find other places on your keyboard or in the options in Google Slides or Google Docs. It's going to do that for any of your operations. So you can type add or subtract, and it's going to come up with those symbols, but it'll also work for things like finding squared or cubed or the square root, or you can see cubic meters down there. It's going to help you with a lot of those symbols that are otherwise challenging to find on your computer. So we're going to skip over the next two options down here, and I'm going to go straight to the handwriting recognition because this will come in very helpful in our fractions unit right now. I could write in my fraction 3/4 or 3/4, and it's going to show it over here how it reads my handwriting. So I'm going to say that that is greater than another math symbol, 1/2, and you'll see that my whole math sentence has now been put into computer-friendly numbers, and I can insert that again onto my Google slide. So again, it's making these symbols really easy. The last one I want to show you is one of my favorites. I'm just going to delete what I had in there, and I'm going to go to the speech input. Now with speech input, all I have to do is talk my math and it will come up on the screen. So I'm going to click the record button in a second here, and I will start with a fraction for you. 3/5. And it was that easy, it came up over here. Now, again, we're just going to insert that in, but that's going to help you with a lot of your numbers and symbols for math. So one that we had trouble with last week is figuring out how to write the cubed or the squared, those small superscript numbers. But if I just talk that in again, it's going to show up for me. So I'll start over here by saying 5 meters squared. And there's your symbol right ready for you there to add in just the way we wanted to show it. Okay, now I know I told you that one made me the most excited, but what really is awesome is inserting a math space onto your Google Doc or Google Slide. So let's do that quickly. I'm not going to go through all the features, but I'll do that quickly just so you can see what it's going to do. This is going to open up a whole math space where you access all the same tools you used before, but you can also add on these super cool ones right here. So this is all your math tools that you're going to need to show different math thinking. You have everything from coins to tangrams. This one is cool. If I add in a tangram here, it looks like it's all one piece, but as soon as I go in and click, I'm actually able to move one piece at a time and rotate that piece and learn different things about the tangram. Okay, I won't get too excited there. What I did want to show you, because we're going to be working with fractions this week, is the other one where we can do fraction bars and fraction tools, fraction circles, and we can insert those in and change the number of pieces and the number of shaded segments to show different fractions that we're working with here. You can also change the color at the top here to work with your fractions. So I won't go too much more into that because I'm going to save that for lesson 1 in fractions. I'll just show you where the magic happens. When we click this insert math, it's going to take everything on your page in front of you. One more time here. Oh, no, I'm not inserting math. Sorry, I'm going up here to the insert button. This blue insert button is where the magic happens. And it's going to take you back into your Google slide, and it's going to bring with it all that math you just worked on. That's all I'm going to take you through today. Stay tuned for the next lesson, and I'm going to show you specifically how to show all our fraction thinking on this. Have an awesome day, everybody.